We are here at Jefferson Elementary, and today we're going to be teaching a class called Bread in a Bag.
You are going to be making your bread. This is our mixing bowl.
It's really a great opportunity for kids to learn not only where wheat comes from and how it's grown, but get to do a hands-on activity, and they are making bread from scratch from start to finish, adding all the fun ingredients.
Partner on the right, hold the bag. Partner on the left, you're going to go ahead and pour it in.
Just keep the cup like that.
Oh, very good. Yeah, you can kind of tap on it.
We are going to be working with a partner, and it's going to get a little messy and crazy, but we have a good time.
In class, usually right now we'd be sitting down and doing math problems, but instead we're over here having fun and doing my favorite hobby, cooking.
It was really fun because me and my partner got to experience making bread, and I want to be a chef when I grow up, so that was a really good experience for me.
Oklahoma is the fourth largest meat-producing state. Everybody seen something like this? Yeah. Yep, they're all over Oklahoma. If you go driving out, okay, you're gonna see a combine.
We also got taught a lot about the parts in the wheat kernel and how it's produced and how they fertilize it.
Partner on the left, you're going to be opening up your bag very carefully, and we're going to be doing something called wafting.
Megan Parks and I, we are nutrition educators, and we go around to all the grade levels, pre-K through 5th mainly, some secondary as well, and we are teaching kids all about nutrition. We talk to them about where their food comes from, why we need to eat, how we need to treat our bodies to keep them healthy. Our goal really is to start with them at pre-K, teaching them these tools so that way as they age, they continue to learn about making healthy choices, and we do this in a fun, interactive way.
Pass it to your partner.
Here you go, partner.
And now we will count to 25 again. 1, 2, 3.
I like how it kind of looked like oatmeal, and then now it looks like bread, and also it smells kind of fun. I learned that always bring gloves when you're cooking.
Probably not as fun as science and math, but definitely more fun than social studies and reading.
And then I'm going to roll it.
They tell us all about the healthy choices they're making, and we know that we're making a difference, teaching them. Hopefully they're taking that home and teaching their families about it. It's hands-on, it's fun, and we just love teaching and being out there in the classrooms.